Michael from Spring has a question about being a DIY on an air conditioning system.
Well, yeah, he needs a new contactor, so he questions whether he needs a contractor. Michael writes, I use and trust Absolute Comfort Air, but changing out the contactor looks pretty straightforward. Doing it myself will save me a couple $100, so he wants to know where's the best place to buy one, and should I get the ones at the home centers, or is there an AC supply store I should go to? And Tom, most of all, Michael wants to know, are there any drawbacks to him doing it himself?
Aha! Here's the answer. You can't buy it. The air conditioning supply houses will not sell to the public.
Really?
And you will not find one at a Home Depot and Lowe's, just so you know.
Really?
Yes. It is a closed community that they've done this on purpose because replacing these parts, very simple. A couple wires, you follow it, a screw, you're done. Just like capacitors are easier to find, but you have to go to some other specialty stores because they're in pool motors and stuff, so they're very easy to replace. But you can't buy equipment. You can't buy your own refrigerant. You can't buy stuff from an air conditioning supply unless you were a contractor. Or in my case, when I was working at a college, they would allow me to go in and buy because I was buying from an air conditioning program. But if you can get one, I would say yes, go ahead and do it. See if Rick will sell you one under the table for $20. I mean, no, I don't do that. But what I'm getting at is that's the way the industry is.
I like that. See if you can go on Bribe Rick.
Yeah, Bribe Rick. But
see if he'll sell it. See if he'll sell it to you. And, and maybe you could buy a couple and then maybe make some money on one when you sell it to your neighbor.
Okay, now let's talk it down this. I have a friend that got an air conditioning license online. So he has a little card. Mm-hmm. He's not an air conditioning guy, right? But he got a card that says he is. He goes in and buys his stuff all the time with it.
Okay, we're not suggesting you do that.
This is what you have to do to get your hands on something like that.
We're not suggesting that. Wink, wink. So,
or if you have a friend that's in the air conditioning business, tell him to pick you one up. I mean, you can do that. I don't think they really care. They just don't want to make everybody coming in and buying parts and not being licensed.
So back to the question on the table.
Can you do it? Yes.
So it's not that hard to do.
No, it's simple. It's getting the part.
All right. It's like getting the answer.
That's it was a little drawn out, wasn't it?
It's easy to do, though. I mean, getting the answer. You can just write to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You click on that Ask Tom form on the homepage. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.